Alice, and as you know, I'm an artist. Today, I'm going to teach you to draw and be creative. So, does everyone have their paper? It doesn't matter if it's small or big. I'll wait if you don't. So, does everyone have their paper now? I do. Okay. So, today we're going to draw the sky, and underneath the sky some buildings. So you can do two papers, or I do one. So let's just make some blue over here. And then some parts it gets a little bit lighter. So we can, and then, so I don't think you really have this, but, so, oh, hey, what is going on with this thing? Hey?
The marker's dried.
Okay, it's dried. Never do this to your marker. Never leave it standing like this. Then that will happen. So, and so, you know, here, so some parts there's no blue, so you just do this. And then don't go in that circle, only go around it, then try to not go in it. You see, I made a little bit of mistake there, but that doesn't really matter. You can always shape it again. And then you can even do shapes. I'm gonna do a spoon now. So to make a spoon, you just have to do this, and then a line here, a line there. Yeah. You can even make you can make like whatever, and you can make that sort of Eggman who fell off the wall. You can even make him. So like you make it a little bit foggy. So you know that I make it a little bit funny. You can also make it proper, but I like to make it like this. The big man. And then, but you still need a little bit room, so like this much room. It's not a lot of room for the houses. Oh, I'm just doing it with that one arm, because he did break, you know. So, I'll do it without an arm. And I like to, so normally I just do the whole sky blue, but this time I'm gonna do only like till here the sky blue. So maybe to you that would sound a little bit funny, but then next time I can still draw something here. And then, so you can make any color houses. I like making mountains a lot. You can make whatever here. can make houses, mountains, bridges. It doesn't really matter what you make. So normally I make houses with a, with a pointy roof. This time I'm making this, and then here it will, and then here the top of the house will come up. I'll make it a little bit fantasy-like. And then here. Never put your pencil like this. Always with the pointy bit upwards. And then now I'm gonna do it with this point up here. I always make these things higher. I don't know why. So it goes into the sky and then comes out again. And then my last little house, well, one of my last, that comes about here. Wow, that's high. And then here will be my highest. We'll go all the way to here, and then whoop. So there we can make some windows, which you can actually see. Because like the other ones, I like these are. And this will be the big, it's church. And I'll just do this, and then I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and I'll just do some blah, blah, blah. And then, so you got that. And then now, you can make some windows here. And at the end of this video, I'll show you my methods clearly, like the other one. Okay, now I'll show you my methods clearly. The method to make the clock was simple. You make a round and then you do this. And then you just do all sorts of little blah, 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 blah. Because here it looks like, And then, so the method to make the windows is like this. So you make a square, la, 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 la. And then make 2 of these and then 2 of these. You see? You can also make one just like, you can also make this. Yeah, I make this, but you can also make this. And some people make this. It's also allowed. Some people just make this. Curtains. That's also allowed. You can do whatever. Bye. See you next time.